Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to find the derivative of each term in this implicit relation. So, what do we have to do first? Let me rewrite this again. Everything. Just make sure that you are going to do every single step properly. So I have derivative of y to the fifth with respect to x minus derivative of 5x squared y squared with respect to x plus derivative of y to the fourth power respect to x is equal derivative of constant with respect to x. Okay, so what we have over here? I'm going to have 5 minus 1 dy over dx minus constant 5. Next I have the product of two factors. So I'm going to use this formula. So first factor times the derivative of the second one. So I have x squared times the derivative of the second one. Derivative of y squared is 2y, and I have, of course, this is multiplication, dy over dx plus the second factor times the derivative of the first one. So I have 2x, of course, this multiplication, dx over dx, close parenthesis, plus 4y to the third power, and I have dy over dx, and everything is equal to 0 because derivative of constant is equal 0. Next, let's organize this a little bit. So I have 5y to the fourth power dy over dx. Next, I'm going to distribute negative 5 to the parentheses. That's why I'm going to have negative 5 times 2 is 10. So I have 10x squared y dy over dx. Negative 5 times 2 is equal negative 10x y squared dx over dx is equal to 1. I'm not going to write 1 over here, plus 4y cubed dy over dx is equal to 0. Next, please notice that we have dy over dx over here, dy over dx over here, and dy over dx over here. So we have 3 times dy over dx. We have to factorize it. Dy over dx times 5y to the fourth power minus 10x to the second y plus 4y to the third, close parenthesis, negative 10x y squared. I'm going to move to the right side because this term is not multiplied to dy over dx. That's why I'm going to write equal 10x y squared. Next, I have to divide both sides of my equation by the content of the parentheses. So I have 5y to the fourth power minus 10x squared y plus 4y cubed. So I have 5y to the fourth minus 10x to the second power y plus 4y cubed. Okay, this one and this one will cancel out, and we end up with dy over dx is equal 10x y squared over, you can factorize in the denominator y, so we have 5y to the third minus 10x squared plus 4y squared. Y and this square will cancel out, and I'm going to end up with 10xy over 5y to the third minus 10x squared plus 4y squared. And this is my solution to this problem.